Unfortunately, yes, corporates do still have problems, and the main problem is that all the corporates used SEPA to mainly comply with SEPA. What they did not do is optimize their own processes and systems internally. And that means that they have problems now with the new SEPA dynamic on the outside and the old way of working on the inside. That's still a problem at this moment. Fortunately, this is fixable, and that means that at the moment corporates have the opportunity to finally reap the benefits of SEPA. Until now that was only seen as a cost burden, but now that on the payment side it's almost standardized, it is possible to optimize that one and finally get the benefits of SEPA. There are several lessons to be learned on SEPA. One of the lessons is that payments is rather complex, more complex than they were recognized, and that has to do with all the local flavors in the different countries. Payments do tend to have a very specific needs in different countries, and therefore it seemed to be much more complex than was anticipated. I see two views on that one. One is the external one, that's regulation. What we learned on SEPA is that regulation actually helps. It was until the setting of the end date of SEPA that really SEPA moved on towards where we are now. So regulation can help as a catalyst on the payments. On the internal side, on the corporate itself, it is quite interesting to see the power shift of corporates in the buying power towards banks. Therefore, corporates are more able to ask their banks for better deals, such as lower costs or better timelines. The next step for the corporates, as I see it, is that after SEPA compliancy, it is time to improve your own processes and IT systems in order to cut costs and simplify your payment stream. On a more European scale, there is of course the upcoming Payment Service Directive 2, which has absolutely impact on many corporates. I think it's a very good thing because as of SEPA there is not just such a thing as a national payment. There is only a SEPA payment which is cross-border, so therefore a platform is very useful to exchange knowledge and experiences and to see what next steps you can do, maybe learn from each other what others already have done.